what's up? That was the wrong way. I went, hey guys, what's up? Supposed to go, hey guys, what's up? But anyways, so today I am going to be doing something incredibly awesome that I did on an accident and it turned out actually pretty cool. I'm going to freeze my slime. Like, I made slime with shampoo, and then you just put it in the freezer for over the time that it's supposed to be in, and it turns into, like, this slush slime. Like, it's stretchy, but it's, like, slushy. Okay, so
Emma, where are you?
let's get started. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let's get started in the video. Okay, so this is the shampoo slime that I made. I'm just going to show you the texture of it right now. It's a pretty good shampoo. It's a pretty good slime for shampoo, for using shampoo for it. But once you freeze it, it turns like it's not sticky, like at all. Well, it's a little bit sticky, but right now it's not pretty much. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in there. I'm gonna put it right Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the freezer until you feel like it doesn't. You don't want it to be completely like ice cube. Slushy, so just leave it in there for I don't know, like for just a while. Sorry, there's not lighting over here. Okay, now there's good lighting, but just leave it in for a pretty good while. So I hope you guys like what it turns out to be. Okay guys, so let's go check on the slime. I really hope that it's overtimed finally, but yeah. Okay guys, so it doesn't look overtimed. Oh, yep, it is. It is. Okay guys, look. Oh my god. Hey, what happened? Besides, it's like all slushy, but in the middle it seems like it's a little bit more time.
Don't worry, I won't tell Mom.
I got her to eat a nutritious lunch. Wait till I tell Mom.
Live on trade with protein, veggies, and no preservatives.
This stuff is actually really awesome.
All right. In my Johnson
It's just so
commercial, we
good.
own all contracts. We're semi-together. Like
Ooh, this is slimy. And it's used for flubber too, so you can just put your hands with it. Or wash your hair. If you don't use salt, but I use salt, so I use it to wash my hair. But you can if you just use two different shampoos and mix them together. And that's how I use this, but so I'm gonna put it in for a little bit more longer. I hope it works. Eating a freeze pop. Oh, that looks like things in the cartoons. Can't believe I just did that.
Great.
Okay, guys. So since my popsicle was like up to here, I've been eating it, and once I'm fully done this popsicle, I am going to check on the slime.
It's just
We're in a crisis. It's our job to hold the country together.
and now the TNT originals.
This United States security.
What was your mental condition when you took the oath of office?
Let him go. Tober Takahaya.
I was told I'll confide you in.
And done. Done. It's fully frozen. I'm pretty sure it looks like.
This is Jacob Barnes.
Yep, it is.
From the St. Louis
my
White
God.
House, where mourners are being
Oh,
allowed
see?
to pay their respects to the
Slush.
president.
It's
As
just
we await further
she
details
does
of the
not
apparent suicide of Jeffrey
not be
Mishner,
able to
AMT News
see
has
it too
confirmed
well, but
that the
it's
American hostages in
slushy.
Asia have been rescued. It is unclear
Awesome.
whether the president was aware of this good news at the time of his
It
death.
is awesome.
In the absence of any final note or message, we can only speculate. It seems that the
Okay.
pressures of his embattled agenda, coupled with this
Ew, I hate
network's
that
revelations of his culpability liability in the Doak Stadium disaster may have proved too much for the president to bear.
If you want to freeze the shampoo slimes, this is what it's going to turn out like.
Vice President Oliver just transferred the C-130 in Panama.
Not
She should be on the ground in St. Louis in 4 hours.
This is Judge Watson.
She's administering the oath.
You stir it, forms really well.
My geek girl.
And so let's go say bye to my mom and end this video. JK, she's
You're like,
gonna
nope.
say bye.
Nope.
So,
How about, you gonna be mad if I take a shower, baby?
no, but I want to take one first. Mine will be really quick.
Emma, let me take one first.
And
I think
bye bye.
Take one first.
JK, I'm back.
You